Getting a custom thumbnail to actually show up on the YouTube Shorts shelf is a total game changer for your click-through rate. But here's the golden rule. You have to upload the short with that specific frame already locked in. If you try to change or swap in a custom thumbnail after the video is live, you are unfortunately out of luck. First, open the YouTube app on your phone, hit the plus button, and pull the clip you want to post from your camera roll. Tap next in the top right corner, and then look for the little pencil icon on the top left before you press upload. This pencil icon is where the magic lives because it lets you scrub the timeline and pick any frame from the video to serve as your thumbnail. If the existing frames look blurry or boring, you need a workaround to get a professional, polished thumbnail in there. Design your thumbnail in your favorite app like Canva or Photoshop first, so it looks clean and eye-catching. Then, take that image file and drop it into your video timeline as a tiny fraction of a second clip at the very beginning of your video. You only need it to be there for a tenth of a second, which is basically long enough to bake that frame into the video file. Use any editing tool you are comfortable with, whether that is something simple on your phone or a pro desktop suite. Once that thumbnail image is baked into the start of your video, export the clip and head back to your phone to upload it to YouTube. Now you can tap that pencil icon again, scrub to the very first frame where your thumbnail image lives, and select it. Make sure you upload the short as unlisted or private first, because we still have one more step to keep the video looking clean. You do not want that thumbnail image playing at the start of your actual video, so we need to trim it out. Jump over to your desktop, open the video details, and use the trim and cut function inside the YouTube editor. Simply trim off that tiny fragment where the image exists and hit save, which removes the frame from the playback but keeps it as the thumbnail. There is a small caveat. If you add trending audio through YouTube's mobile tools, it might lock the video and block desktop edits, so watch out for that. Keep in mind that Shorts thumbnails are different, so you should avoid small text and stick to bold, clear, visual storytelling. Big facial expressions or a single, strong action shot are perfect for grabbing attention while people are scrolling fast. If that manual workflow sounds like a lot of work, you might want to look into AI-powered tools like Vizard to handle the heavy lifting. Vizard automatically finds the most engaging viral moments in your long-form videos and prepares them for the Shorts shelf. It even handles the thumbnail selection for you, saving you from having to manually paste frames into timelines over and over again. This saves you a ton of time, especially if you are managing a dozen videos a week and need a streamlined, professional process. Plus, tools like this often come with a content calendar that lets you organize, review, and approve all your clips in one centralized place. You can also use the auto schedule feature to make sure your content hits the feed at the best possible times for your audience. Using AI is not just about speed, it is about keeping your shorts consistent so you can grow your channel without burning out. If you want to get really scientific, you can even A/B test different thumbnail styles to see which ones get more clicks. Just remember to create your variations, schedule them, and measure the performance to see what really resonates with your viewers. To recap, create your image, bake it into the video, upload, set the frame, and trim the excess on your desktop. Or just use a tool that automates the whole process so you can spend less time editing and more time creating great content. Stay ahead of the game by standardizing your workflow, because these little hacks are what will set your content apart in 2024. I have plenty more walkthroughs on how to structure your first 3 seconds and how to master the algorithm if you are hungry for more growth. Go ahead and try this thumbnail trick today and watch your shorts start performing better on the shelf. I will see you on the shelf.